Alright, so we're taking a look at Mephisto. I've got him battling the Silver Surfer here. He's one of his oldest adversaries. Mephisto can change his size and appearance because he's working with the magics, so what you perceive might not always be the reality. It took me a while to figure out how to do this character and do him right. At first I had a tan face, and I had to switch that out because it ended up looking like Count Chocula. I ended up using a couple different capes here. It's got the large draping cape here in the back is from, I believe, the Zurg buildable figure from Toy Story. And the one that I have coming around here wrapping and making the appearance of a loincloth, because Mephisto's in the loincloth nation. That's from Monkey Kid mech, actually, and I think it works out pretty good. It gives that nice flow that you'd want to have there. Getting the torso and everything assembled wasn't too bad. Of course, a lot of these pieces did come from the Monkey Kid set itself. Trying to get Mephisto's hair is a little bit tough because he's got kind of the Wolverine hair going everywhere thing. And generally, when you see Mephisto, he's got his mouth open. You can see fangs, things like that. I couldn't really translate that into the scale, so I went for kind of an angry, gruff. Maybe he's, got his mouth all closed up and the fangs are hidden inside there, so that kind of pops out a little bit there at the bottom. The feet are like skids, because it looks like he's wearing socks most of the time. Just really form-fitting footwear. The hands, not anything technically marvelous going on there. We've just got Exoforce robot arms with little fin-shaped horns attached in there. And here is yet another Marvel character I've made out of the bricks. It's Ego the Living Planet. The coloration on him, I really went more for a Guardians of the Galaxy 2 color scheme rather than the classic comic version. But I tried to make the face kind of a marriage of the two, so he's got, the facial hair implied, which, shows his age, and a bit of angry eyes with bags going underneath them, adjustable eyebrows to allow kind of a range of expression, quizzical. And for this, I used slopes. I used a lot of slopes. I didn't strictly do a Lowell sphere. It's kind of based on the Lowell sphere, but with all these slopes, getting a perfect sphere was nigh impossible for me. So I did a pretty good approximation, and as you look at it from different angles, the facets change a bit and kind of lend it an overall spherical appearance. And he spins pretty good. So, yeah. Don't let Galactus see him. He's going to want to take a bite out of him, but there it is, Ego the Living Planet. I'm not going to talk too much about this, because, there's not much to talk about. I could talk about the character and history and all that, but, if you've clicked on this, you probably already know all that. I just wanted to kind of show you the build here and my take on it, my take on a planet, which is a little bit more square than most folks, but I just couldn't have all those studs sticking out. Not for something that's going to be covered with a lot of water, like I would assume this to be, being a planet and all. So yeah, let me know what you think. Comment below. Like it if you do. Subscribe if you want to see more. There's always more. There always will be.